Hello students, today you're going to work on your second quiz for chapter 8. And I'm going to take it up to the beginning to go over it. So for your first part, it says find the area of a circle. So number 1, you find the area of a circle. And you're going to use the formula r squared times pi to get your area. So your radius squared times pi. So 7 is your radius, 21 is your diameter. So you're going to take your radius, which is 7 times pi. Remember, pi is 3.14, and then that will give you your answer. So you're going, once again, you're going to do 7 times 3.14. For your next number 2, you're going, and I would like for it to see you just type in your answer over here. So for number 2, they have given you your diameter. So you have to do something first to get your radius. You're going to take 21 and you're going to divide it by 2. And then you're going to get an answer. You're going to take that answer and times it by itself. So that will give you your radius, and then you're going to multiply that by 3.14. For the areas of the semicircle, you're going to do the exact same thing you did above. You need to find the radius for both of these. So for example, the radius of 8 is 4. So you're going to do 4 times 3.14. And that would give you a whole circle, but we only want half, so then you're going to divide it by 2. So you're going to do that for 3 and 4. And then the last one, and then there's only 3 more questions. So to find the area of your figure, all you have to do is count all of your squares, and then just remember anytime you have half of a square, that's half of one. So this would be 1, this would be half, and half is 1, and then this is a half. So this would make up 1 1/2, and then you count all your squares for the remaining portions for 5 and 6. And then your last one is you need to separate these out into 2 shapes, and you're going to do your base times your height, and then add them together. So this would be 4 times 12, and then this one would be 2, and we have to figure out what this portion is. So if we took 3 minus 1, that would give you this, which would be 2. So this is 2 times 2, and then this is 4 times 3, and then you add them together to get your answers. Good luck. I know you're going to do great on this.